Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement. This is the last video of year number 4 on YouTube. So the videos you'll see after this one will be the first video of year number 5. Today we have a quick 10-minute conditioning workout. We're going to start with a 2-minute warm-up. We'll get started in about 5 seconds. Just going to start with walking with some high knees for 2 minutes. Following the cues, guys. Follow along with me. Just raise those knees up. We'll just warm it up a little bit. This entire workout is going to be 10 minutes long. That's all there is to it. You'll need some dumbbells or various weights, whatever you're comfortable with. As an example, I think I'm using 8 through 20-pound dumbbells. So we're just going to warm up just a little bit. Like I said, it's been 4 years on YouTube for me already. There's about 700 videos. That's including the shorts. So there are probably 450 full workout videos, and they're all done from this basement. Thank you to those that have been here for all this time. I know a few of you have been here for about those 4 years. All right, high knees are coming along with. Great. Let's start with some skips. Get that heart rate moving. We have just over a minute left. Let's skip for another 45 seconds or so, and then we'll go back to the high knees before we get going with the first exercise. And the first exercise is going to be a squat with a front raise. Now we're gonna move through these exercises one by one with no breaks in between. So we're gonna transition as quick as we can between the exercises. The whole point of this workout is to keep the heart rate moving throughout without much rest. This is going to be the rest. We're going to do 2 exercises, then skip for 1 minute. Easy skips, let the heart rate come down a little bit from the 2 minutes of exercising. So that's the intro, guys. We have another 20 seconds left or so before we get going with the first exercise. Remember, front squat to a front squat, a squat to a front raise. All right, let's get back down to here. We're gonna get started in about 10 seconds. You guys ready to go? Welcome once again to Fit After 50, and let's get going in 3, 2, 1. Grab those dumbbells and give me a front squat. There we go. 1 minute. We're not stopping, we're moving for the entire 10 minutes. Keep going. Even though it's only 10 minutes, nobody says it's going to be easy. 30 seconds left, come on. "20 seconds, keep it up. "10 seconds, from here we're going to mountain climbers. So drop right down on the floor and start with the mountain climbers. In 3, 2, 1, on the floor, mountain climbers. 1 minute, let's go. Stay with me. "40 seconds left, keep it here. Keep it here, keep it here. I have a hard time talking today. That's okay. Still working out, still working at it. Keep it here. Let's go. 30 seconds left. Keep moving. We're standing up to this and going back to our skips for 1 minute. 10 seconds. Keep it here. 3, 2, 1, get up and let's skip. Ready? Let's go. 1 minute. We're not stopping today. This is our break. This is it. If you can't skip, you have knee pain or anything else, just walk, get those high knees. Otherwise, skip with me. It's okay, it's you 1 minute, a little bit of a reprieve while still maintaining somewhat of a heart rate. Push. All right, after this exercise, we're going to a lunge, into a curl, into a shoulder press while holding that lunge. 20 more seconds, guys. Keep it up. So for this, I'm gonna use my little heavier dumbbell. I'm gonna use my 15 pounders. The first exercise was 8 pounds. This one is with 15. It's gonna be 1 minute. Lunge, curl, press. In 3, 2, 1, grab those weights. And let's go. Lunge, curl, press up, hold that lunge, and back. The other leg. Lunge, curl, press up. Beautiful. Keep moving. Lunge. That's it. That's it. Whew. Guys, if you're new here, after you get done with this workout, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below. But for now, I don't want you to do anything but the workout. That's the most important part. That's why you're here. You're not here to subscribe to me. You're here to work out with me. Hopefully you'll be coming back. All right, guys. We have 5 seconds left. We're going to a weighted sit-up. Grab that dumbbell, whichever one you want. Or no dumbbell at all if you can't do one. And sit up and down. We got 1 minute. Up, down. Let's go. All the way up. Extend towards that ceiling. Up. 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Up, down, up. Beautiful. And down. Up and back down. And up. Keep it up. 15 seconds left. Hey, if I'm struggling, you know why? Because these are workouts for me also. I want to challenge you and to challenge myself. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and we're skipping. All right, guys, let's start skipping. Whew. So after this skip, we only got 2 more exercises left, and it'll be a 10-minute full body conditioning workout. All done. But till then, keep that heart rate moving, keep jumping. So from here, we're gonna go onto the renegade row. It's up to you if you do a push-up or not. I'm gonna do them. Start them off with push-ups. I don't know if I'm gonna finish off with push-ups, but I'm gonna do the best I can. So it's gonna be row, push-up, row, push-up, alternate arms, and a push-up in the middle. We got 20 seconds left. Keep skipping, keep skipping, keep skipping. Can't talk. That's okay. I'm tired. My heart rate's high. I feel good. Keep going, guys. Come on. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, on the ground. Grab your weights. All right, give me a row. Boom. Give me a push-up. There we go. Give me a row on the other side. Push up. Up. Row. Push up. You know the pattern by now. I can probably be quiet. "30 seconds left. Stay here. Push-ups are getting tough. That's okay. That's why we call it a workout. And up. Keep it up. 15 seconds left. Stay here. Almost done. Last one. And a row. Now we're going plank pull through. Same position, plank. Got a dumbbell, pull it through. That's all we're doing. 1 minute, extra planking today. Pull all the way through. Reach under and pull it back. There you go. Keep going, guys. 40 seconds to go. Keep pulling. 20 seconds left. Keep it up. Stay with me. Not easy. Not easy. That's okay. Stay here. About 10 seconds left. Stay with me. Few more. There's 3, 2, 1, and last one. Welcome back and thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. I enjoy these workouts with you so much. If you enjoyed this workout like I did, now you can subscribe. Now you can leave a comment down below and a big like. And I'll see you guys during our 5th year on YouTube during the next video. I'll see you then. Have a good day.